Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product which name is Naturium multi-peptide advanced serum. This serum is formulated to improve texture and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Plus it helps firm skin's appearance to support a more youthful looking complexion. This is a very powerful serum, helps improve texture for a smoother complexion. Supports firmer looking skin. Hydrates and plumps for a lifted effect. The best part of this serum is that it is cruelty-free, paraben-free. It is vegan, gluten-free product. It does not contain fragrance. It is available in 30 milliliters packing with $25. Serum is formulated with an advanced multi-peptide blend, including encapsulated CopperPeptides and arginine amplified peptide, to improve texture and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Plus, encapsulated ferulic acid and collagen help firm skin's appearance to support a more youthful-looking complexion. How to use it? Can be used AM plus PM daily. Use 1 to 2 pea-sized drops. Apply on clean skin and follow with moisturizer. Final thought. To sum it up, you thoroughly enjoyed this peptide serum mainly due to its moisturizing texture and its effectiveness as an anti-aging product. It's particularly great if you're seeking a copper peptide serum and have extremely dry skin, as it provides an added layer of moisture. The serum's ingredients and price point impressed you, making it a fantastic choice for its value. However, your personal skincare goals are more aligned with the COSRX serum, which caters to your specific needs like oil control, balancing, addressing hyperpigmentation, and managing acne. While this product excels as an anti-aging solution, it may not be your top choice for other skin concerns. Thanks for watching.